gotta show you my home studio.
Yes.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah. Yeah, so home studio.
Should I take my shoes off?
Yeah, you can do that. It's mostly makeshift because I got my kitchen here.
Yeah, nice.
Yeah, I got my kitchen here and I got the studio over here. As you can see, like a million brushes. I'm
Yeah.
always here working for some reason. This is a famous piece.
Yes.
Yeah, that's a famous piece. You know, it's upside down.
Yeah.
You know, when you're drinking it, you can still read it. Yeah, shit like that. Yeah. And I got the Hennessy, you know.
Yeah, on the canvas.
On the canvas. On the canvas. Yeah, so I just, you know, vibe here. You know, vibe here. Do whatever.
So you'll do your designs with the screen prints on the laptop and then...
Yeah. Yeah. And this is a book from Tracy Thorne. It's hand-painted Jamaica. Yeah.
Oh, nice.
She's a big fan of mine. Yeah, she's always in Jamaica. And you can see he's from Westmoreland as well. That's Black Studio, Jacalo. And there's me. You know, right there, Money Fever.
Yeah.
And you got Nurse right there, CJ, his little son.
Oh yeah, I know Nurse. He's in the grill, right?
Yeah,
I've seen Nurse's work around. He does roots bamboo and, and woodstock and all that stuff.
All of that, rock house, all of that. And then you got like a few artists from Kingston, you know? Yeah, you got Michael from Kingston, and then you got, he's one of the old cats. He's one of the old cats. He hasn't moved with technology, but he's responsible for a lot of work in Montego Bay upwards. You know, he's one of the old cats.
What's his name?
Gappa. He's right at Border Jerk.
Okay.
On the border of Westmoreland and Hanover. Yeah. Yeah. And you got like, he's in the grill. That's Anthony Abel. Yeah. He sells records in the grill.
Nice.
Yeah. Yeah, you got like...
Oh yeah, there's Roots Bamboo right there. There's Nurse.
Yeah, that's...
Yeah,
that's
I can tell some of the artists because I've been following so long.
Yeah, and
so.
that's Nurse's style. You know, he does on black background and he does like a lot of neon writing. Like
He does the fade too on the letters.
That's mixing up graffiti with our style, you know? And then you got Return Bougie, you know? Yeah, that was like, you know, some things. You got the famous Kingston paintings. They love doing murals in Kingston, as you can see. Jonah Gang Marley, Buju Banton. Yeah.
Some good ones on Orange Street.
Yeah.
Some wicked murals right across from...
I've heard. Yeah. So, you know, Obama, I Have a Dream. Bob Marley right there. Yeah. And yeah, a lot of these in Jamaica, you know.
Yeah.
Hand cards with sound systems.
So cool.
Yeah. And that's mixing up art style with the graffiti right there.
What's this book called again? I'll have to put a link for it by...
Hand Painted Jamaica.
So cool.
Yeah. It's very nice. Yeah.
I love the bar girls too. Yeah, there's so many good bar girls. That could be a whole book too, Jamaica bar girls. Yeah.
And you got these amateurs. These guys, they don't want to, you know, pay for a sign, so they just do it themselves.
But it has its own unique style to it too. Like even when someone paints like a cold jelly on a fridge in one color font, handmade, it looks awesome. I don't know.
Yeah, these guys, they don't want to pay for anything. So just, oh, okay, I can do that.
I don't know. It looks good. It's got a style to it. So.
Got a style.
Tracy Thorne. Okay.
Tracy Thorne. Yeah.
Very cool.
Very good friend of mine. She always visits when she comes to Jamaica.
Nice.
Yeah. And love technology, you know. An iPad. That's what I use and, you know, do a lot of something, whatever. And, you know, yeah, I'm like big on, you know, receiving stuff. This guy, he's from Spain, and he sent me this book. I wanted to buy this book so bad, and this guy just DM'd me one day and he's like, hey, we should do collaboration. And I'm like, I love your book, but I hate the name. I hate the name. I opted to go with, you know, this name, you know. As you can see, the acrylic artist Bible. I wanted him to use the name, the Sign Painter's Bible. That'd have been so cool. And I got this book like, this is one of my early books from like 2008. I bought this book. You know, haven't read it. I just, you know, love having books for having books' sake. Yeah, shit like that. Yeah, but this book is a very cool book. Very cool book. It's got artists from all over the world. All over the world. You know, showing their styles and fonts and all of that. Awesome. I'm big with fonts. I love seeing fonts.
Me too.
I just love seeing fonts. Yeah.
I'm always trying to find new fonts for video stuff too. You got to do the cool thumbnail that pops out, and like I said, I'm no graphic designer, but I've made 500 thumbnails myself just because I had to.
And
yeah,
that's it. You know, and people always ask me, "Oh, how did you come up with that?" And sad to say, that was from one of, you know, tragedies in my life. I just thought about it that day and I just read it, and they're like, "So how does it read?" And I'm like, if you love bug, you're gonna say I love bug. If you hate bug, you're gonna say I hate bug. It's whatever you choose, you know? It's whatever you choose. If you love me, you're gonna say, hey, you love me. And yeah, so this was a collaboration for that book I was telling you about. So it's basically what you get from the work, you know? There's the 3 main elements.
Yes.
And you can only pick 2. So if you go fast and cheap, you're gonna get poor quality. If you go good and fast, you're gonna get expensive. You can't get a 3 of them, so dream on, man. You know? Good and cheap takes time. So you know, you only can pick 2. You can't pick 3, you can only pick 2. And where the 2 intersects, that's what you're gonna get. That's exactly what you're gonna get. Yeah. And I did this poster for a party in Switzerland.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, I can't.
Did I see this one online too? Did you put this on your Insta?
I wonder.
I feel it looks familiar, but I know you've done some like similar looking, but that's all hand painted. This one.
Yeah, all hand painted. And this I had to get this done very fast, so that took like about an hour or so.
An hour?
Yeah, I did that.
That'll take
an
me
hour. Yeah,
a week. Well, I couldn't do that actually. Never mind.
I did that an hour, and you know, as I said, I'm good with technology. You know, sometimes I do airbrush work. You know, whatever it's called for, I can basically get it done. You know, I can basically get it done. And these, I gotta, you know, probably get these done like probably tonight or so. And yeah, this is, you know, a game board that Jamaicans love.
Oh yeah, I've seen it around. What's it called?
It's a Ludo board. It's actually Ludo, but we shorten everything up.
Like they put it in all different styles, right? Like different colors or different
different styles, different colors. Sometimes we put football teams on them, car brands, you know, clothes brand. Yeah, whatever we put on them, we just, you know, a lot of I like collecting books. You know, I like collecting books. I'm a good artist, so I just love seeing it. I don't love to turn on my phone to see it. I just want to see it now. Show me now. Yes. And this is also a good book from Maxine Walters. This is a good book from Maxine Walters. This was actually, this is the old style. This is the old style of signs. Like what I was doing earlier, this is the old style. This one's actually hand painted. And then the same type of ink that I was using, they just use it with a paintbrush to just go over the letters to give it colors. Yeah.
What's this one called again? This is
yeah. Whoa. It's a serious thing. Agwan. 3 decades. You know, 3 decades of So this is a paper stencil that they use with paint and a sponge. Yeah.
So cool. So screen printing on a budget.
It's not really screen printing, but stencil. You know, they didn't use a screen. They used cardboard and a stencil.
Well, that's it still has such a cool style.
And that was actually hand painted. That seems to be hand painted. This one's screen printed like I was doing earlier. As you can see, this is very old because all of this burnt out. you know, or it was done very cheap, because you can see the date, 2015. Yeah, so all of that burnt out. I don't know for what reason. Yeah, same style I was telling you about. They just hand paint it and use a paintbrush to, you know, go over with the colors. Yeah, that's old school screen printing. As you can see, 2007. So that's very old school. That was, you know, yeah, same thing there. Same style I was telling you about. Yeah.
Just hand style.
Until it started, that's when everything started to change. You can see yellow background with, you know, a little bit of blue, a little bit of green, and so forth. They don't use the screen print to do the background. They just brush on the colors on the background and print it. Yeah, Nurse actually did this one. Yeah.
And you still do see some of these around. I've seen some of these driving to Portland before.
Yeah, this is the ones the collectors love. As you can see, that's the nail hole right there.
Yeah.
Yeah, that authentic touch to it. Yeah. I wonder who did this one, but it looks kind of familiar. So a friend of mine, I think Nurse actually did this one. This guy that's the promoter, Black's Real Cop, he's actually a police officer. He was on a viral video in Jamaica once where he turned up at an event to, you know, lock it off, but instead of locking it off, this guy took the mic and started to spit rhymes. Yeah, he started to spit rhymes, and this venue is still operational. That venue is still operational. Yeah. This guy started to spit bars, man. Yeah. Unfortunately, MX3 Lawn is closed right now in the grill. There isn't much going on there. Yeah. Ochi. This lady drove around the whole Jamaica and taking it around. That one was very good.
That's
a good time.
So stylish.
Yeah, very stylish. You know? Yeah. And that's the spray paint. They stopped using like the paint over. They started using the spray paint. This was very crappy, but it's very nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, very crappy, but very nice. Yeah, and back to the sponge.
Yeah, I'll have to put a link below where people can look up these books and stuff.
Yeah, so you can actually see that it's, you know, a stencil, because, you know, as you can see, the I call them the eyes. The eyes, the openings in letters, they have to link.
Yeah,
them.
you can see it. Yeah, you can't.
That's why, you know.
You can't do that, or you can do that so much easier on a screen. Yeah.
Yeah, so much easier. Yeah, Waves Beach 2009. Very old.
Another Roots Bamboo one.
Very old. Very, very old. Bar Girls.
Yes.
Yeah. So you got like a lot of them documented in that. Yeah. And Nurse got a book out. It's called, I think it's called A Night Called. And that's featured Chi-Ching Ching in there. And, you know, a lot of people. Yeah.
Oh, there's the same area we come from. That's the one. I've seen so many different ones. I have about 3 different ones.
Yeah. That's the
But they do a similar, like, this one's actually more complex. I've done some more
that's
sort
very
of
complex.
few less colors, less detail.
It's very complex,
Yeah.
man. It's very complex.
Like that one, they were running for 5 years in different ways. The same area we come from.
That's very
I have that one in my studio actually, in the
Really?
background, yeah, for a long time.
It's very complex. We got Q45 there. Q45 was running the place for a minute. You got like a lot of them, and yeah, and you got like this one. I recently got this, and as you can see earlier, it's in there.
Yo!
It's in there.
So cool.
I was a part
You're
of that.
published in this?
Yeah, I was a part of that magazine. Yeah, so it's very good, and yeah, they did their research, man, and they got like collaborations from all over the world. You know, all over the world.
Sick.
All over the world. It's like I didn't know that sign painting was a culture until I went on Instagram. It's like a culture, man. A huge culture, you know.
So where can people find you? I'll have to give people the heads up. I mean, I'm going to link everything below to find you.
So I'm one of the easiest guys to find in Jamaica. All you have to do is call my number or just DM me on Instagram. I'll be there no matter where you are in Jamaica. I'll be there. You know, I haven't got a visa yet, unfortunately. I didn't try, but that's how life is. Yeah,
So we'll link your Instagram below. I'll put your phone number below if anyone needs design work or collaborations
definitely. So I've been
Yeah.
working on, let me get something. I've been working on these for a wedding.
Wow.
Yeah, I've been working on these for a wedding. And the good thing about this wedding is it's on my birthday.
Yeah, nice.
Yeah, I've been working on these for a wedding. And that's the welcome sign, and this is the bar sign.
Yeah.
That's the bar sign.
So good.
Yeah, this is the style I've, you know, recently resurrected.